Forex Trading Argentina is a great way to make money via online trading. However, there are some risks involved here. The economy is always changing, so the value of the peso can go up or down very quickly. Hence, you need the best Forex brokers in Argentina to survive in the trading industry. Despite the risks, Forex trading in Argentina can be a very profitable venture. If you are smart about it, you can make a lot of money. Just make sure you are aware of the risks involved, be prepared for anything, and pick the top Forex broker. For your convenience, we have made the top Forex brokers list in Argentina, so that you can pick one for your trading. Nevertheless, you need to be prepared to lose some money if the economy takes a turn for the worse. The Argentine economy is unstable, so the value of the peso is always changing. This makes it a great place to trade currencies. So, let's take a deep look inside Forex brokers in Argentina. Just as there are many types of currency, the legality of Forex trading varies from country to country. In Argentina, Forex trading is completely legal. Although the Central Bank of Argentina has outlawed the buying and selling of foreign currencies by individuals, there is no law specifically prohibiting Forex trading. Trading with a broker is free from government interference and taxation. Anyone who buys and sells foreign currencies must register themselves as a broker with the Central Bank of Argentina, BCRA, which entitles them to display their license number prominently on their website or business card. There are no restrictions on who can trade Forex in Argentina, but foreigners do need an exchange authorization from the Ministry of Economy if they want to open a bank account for transactions. The bottom line is that Forex trading is legal in Argentina, but it can be difficult to do. If you are thinking about trading Forex in Argentina, be sure to do your homework and understand the regulations that apply to you. Thus, you can find the regulated Forex brokers in Argentina. The answer to this question is both yes and no. There are a few agencies in Argentina that are in charge of regulating Forex trading, but the process can be a bit confusing. Let's take a closer look at the regulation of Forex Argentina. The National Commission on Securities, CNV, is the main regulatory body for securities in Argentina. The CNV is responsible for regulating the sale of securities, including Forex, in Argentina. The CNV has issued a number of regulations governing the sale of securities in Argentina, including Forex. The Central Bank of Argentina, BCRA, is also responsible for regulating Forex trading in Argentina. The BCRA has issued a number of regulations governing Forex trading in Argentina, including limits on the amount of currency that can be traded per day. In Argentina, the financial regulators are the National Securities Commission, CNV, and the Central Bank of Argentina, BCRA. The CNV is the main regulator of the securities market in Argentina. The BCRA is the main regulator of the financial system and monetary policy in Argentina. The regulators are responsible for implementing and enforcing the regulations that govern the financial sector as well as Argentina Forex brokers list. They also work with the private sector to promote sound and efficient financial markets. The regulators are responsible for ensuring the stability of the financial system and protecting consumers and investors. Forex trading in Argentina is not easy, and as there are many smaller traders, you will probably find yourself getting your trades wrong more times than not. However, that doesn't mean you can give up on your dream of making it big. If you want to focus on short-term profit, we'd say that you need to be realistic about how good the odds are for you succeeding. There are many little things that can make a big difference when it comes down to success or failure with your Forex trading Argentina. Here we want to share some of the best practices that, if followed, will increase your chances of making a profit. Start small with your trading accounts. Have realistic expectations of recouping your losses. Focus on the smaller time frames. Have a time frame that works for you. Know your market. Stay current with the market. Use candlesticks to avoid bad trades. Use alerts. Manage your account losses. Manage your emotions. Have access to your backtesting tools. Make sure that you have a plan. Argentina is a key country in South America, with a population of over 45 million and a GDP of over $383 billion. The country is rich in natural resources, including oil, gas, and minerals, and is a major exporter of agricultural products. In recent years, the Argentine economy has been through difficult times, with high levels of inflation and currency volatility. Despite these challenges, foreign exchange trading remains an important activity in Argentina. Here are some of the main benefits of Forex trading Argentina. Opportunities to profit from currency movements. The Argentine peso has been volatile in recent years, and there have been opportunities to make profits by trading currencies against the peso. Access to a wide range of trading instruments. Forex brokers list in Argentina gives you access to a wide range of Forex instruments, including currency pairs, CFDs, and spot metals. A strong Forex infrastructure. The Argentine financial sector is well developed, with a number of best Forex brokers in Argentina and liquidity providers. Opportunities to trade with leverage. Argentine traders can trade with leverage up to 50:1, giving them the potential to make large profits on small price movements. A supportive Forex community. The Argentine Forex community is active and supportive, and traders can find a wealth of information and trading advice online. Here are some of the challenges of Forex trading in Argentina. A lack of liquidity in the market. A lack of confidence in the Argentine peso. Uncertainty about government policy. And the inflation and currency volatility. Argentina has become a hotspot for Forex trading in recent years. But most of the best Forex brokers in Argentina operate offshore. However, there are some Forex scams brokers too. So, make sure you pick the regulated Forex broker Argentina. The offshore brokers are usually regulated by top regulations from other countries. The Argentina Forex brokers list we have mentioned in this article is mostly offshore and regulated by Tier 1 and Tier 2 Forex regulators. Hence, you can pick any of those brokers without any doubt.